How to use secret chat on Telegram. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily use secret chats on Telegram. Let's just get right into it. First thing first you need to go ahead and do is open up your Telegram application. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you want to go ahead and tap on the chat where you want to enable your secret chat. Let's say if I want to create a secret chat with this person, I can go here and type in a message. This is going to be a normal chat. So this is not a secret chat. Let me show you how it looks. If you tap on the three dots at the top right, you'll have an option to start a secret chat. If you don't see it, first go to their profile by tapping on the profile icon. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Just head there. You will see different options, and right below send a gift, you have an option to start secret chat. Just tap on it and your secret chat will be started. It's going to ask you if you want to start a secret chat. Just go ahead and tap on start. Now you have successfully started the chat. You might not be able to see anything here because of the secret chat's privacy reason, so you'll see a black screen. So if I just go back here, as you can see here, this secret chat is started. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.